Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. My name is Emmanuel Arce, well known as the Ultimate Gardener. In today's exciting sprouting video, I went ahead and took the time today and I decided that I would like to show you guys an entire haul of all of the seeds I started from seed that are vegetables. So I actually went bananas starting vegetables from seed because I was inspired from other vegetable or grow your own food content creators, and so I decided to hop on the trend myself, and so I'm growing my own food as well, and everything's looking pretty promising and I'm super thrilled. But before anything, as you guys know, I released a video yesterday, Saturday in the morning, and about planting the snow peas in the smart pots, and in the evening I got a notification saying that Smart Pots featured me on their Instagram page, which is very exciting. So huge shout out to them for featuring me, which is very kind of you guys. So thank you so much, and I can't wait to partner with you guys once again soon. So let's go ahead and jump right into this video. So Ultimate Gardeners, coming at number 1, we have the snowball cauliflower. This is actually one of my ones that I'm hoping it grows, because I've never grown cauliflower and the ways it grows is just like cabbage, and so I'm hoping it actually works. It actually is starting to put on its true leaves right there, and I'm super excited to see it's actually growing and, you know, getting used to environments, because starting things from seed is like a huge process you have to go through, and so I'm actually very thrilled to see this actually working. So coming at number 2, we have the mini munch cucumbers. I usually grew this especially for my mom because she loves to use cucumbers and like her stews and stuff like that. And so here it is growing its true leaves, already like so tall already, and so I'm like super happy I grew this from seed. Like looking at all these trays, I'm like, wow, I grew this. So now we have some corn. This is the sweet ambrosia corn right here. Like, look at that. Like, I know my dad told me he has grown sweet corn before and he actually has harvested it, but like this is my turn now. I'm super excited to see if I could have corn this time around, because as you guys know, vegetables starting and, you know, vegetable growing starts for us right now, and so, you know, I'm excited for it. Number 2, we have the overturned cabbage right here. As you guys know, I'm a huge cabbage lover grower. On the other side, we actually started growing 6 cabbages. One of them did get eaten by a squirrel, and so, but the other ones are doing amazing right now, and so I decided to start some ones but are different varieties, and so I can't wait to see how that one grows. Then we have the Black Prince cherry tomato from the MI Gardener. This was actually a gift from a giveaway someone was hosting. It was from the Garden State Gardener. He was doing a, you know, a giveaway, and he actually rafted my name in there, and so now I actually won 2 of the varieties, 2 seed packets, and the Black Prince cherry tomato is actually one of them. And so if you want to check out his channel, I'll be leaving a link up here for you guys to check out. Show him some Ultimate Gardening love and tell him I sent you guys. So let's go ahead and move on to the other set of vegetable seedlings. So Ultimate Gardeners, moving on to the next set of veggies. So here we have the giant Nobel spinach. So this one was actually from Andrew Seed Co. as well. This one had poor growth reality or germination rate. Even though I know Andrew Seed Co. it's not a problem with their seeds, I don't know what the problem could have been, because they were getting the water and 3 of them came up and the other ones didn't, and so we're just gonna have to accept with what we have. And so once again, that's the giant Nobel spinach. Then we have a slow boat cilantro right here. If you're Mexican, you know we use a lot of cilantro, and so growing cilantro would be benefiting for us all the way. Next we have red Malabar spinach from Baker Creek as well that they gave me. This is a spinach type that is red and it grows in a different way, and so hopefully it actually tastes pretty similar. You know, we're gonna try these things out. Now coming at the next one, we have garlic. I haven't had a successful garlic harvest yet. This is from Territorial Seed Company, so hopefully this time around we could actually have some garlic to harvest, because I really want to do it. Now we have Alto Leeks first time growing alto leeks, and my family has never eaten alto leeks, so now we're all gonna try it. It's something new for all of us. And it just looks like onions too, so label your stuff. Label your stuff. Label your stuff. So now let's go ahead and move on to the next set of veggies. So ultimate gardeners, moving on to the next set of vegetable seeds. We do have a few more, and I also am going to wander around the garden and show you guys that are actually some that are actually in the ground already or in pots. And so moving on, we have the Star Rosalie tomato that was sent to me by Baker Creek. This is a unique yellow and purple tomato that looks very interesting, so I decided to grow it because I like to grow unique things in the garden because it makes the garden look like more colorful and a bit more welcoming place. So coming at next one, we have the Windsor fava beans. My mom, when she was little, used to love fava beans, and so this is for her right here. Another one. This is actually a Windsor fava bean. I grew that before and all of them damped off, and so hopefully by doing this method they actually give for me. Number 2, we have Waltham broccoli, which is another one for my mom that could go in her stews with the cucumber. So I am like super happy to see the true leaves growing. You want to label your seeds, you guys, because a lot of these seeds look very familiar, like the overturned cabbage, the Waltham broccoli, and the and the snowball cauliflower. They all look very similar, and so you don't want to mix them all up, and so you want to tag them because you don't want to place something where you expect something else from it and it comes out something else. And so you want to go ahead and make sure you label all your seedlings so you can remember the variety in case you want to grow it again next year. I've done the mistake of not labeling my stuff, and it's a huge mess up, so don't do what I did. Label your stuff. You're gonna thank me for it. So next thing, we have the red guano onion. Once again, another one from the Andrew Seed Co. This is my first time growing onions, so hopefully it actually gives. So now the other ones are actually in the ground already, and so let's go ahead and move on to that location. So ultimate gardeners, here's the new fresh garden, like I like to call it. Here's where we planted the variety of beans here. So here we have the provider bush beans. You could even see them start popping up right there, there, and there. Then we have the early contender bush beans, which is actually better growth rate than any other one here, which we have 4 plants instead of 3 or less. Then we have the Maxibel haircut vert bush beans. These we only have 1 plant over there, and so I am hoping for the best, because if we only gonna have 1 plant, that's gonna be a little bit upsetting. So then over here we have the Mindori giant soybean. This was meant to be for only bush beans, but I sort of mixed them up. But we do have 1 little tiny plant right there. So, you know, everybody makes mistakes, and so now we're gonna have Mindori soybeans right here, or soybean. We never actually grew soybeans before, so this is gonna be pretty exciting. So let's go and move on to the last and final area. So ultimate gardeners, moving on to the next and final area. As you guys see here, this is what I made the video yesterday about. And so this is actually the mammoth melting snow peas I grew from seed as well, and the violet smart pots raised bed. So I am super thrilled on how they look. They are not wilted, and so I'm super happy actually on how they came out. So let's go ahead and wrap up this video. So ultimate gardeners, that's gonna be it for this exciting sprouting video. Once again, I showed you guys an entire seed haul on all the vegetables I started from seed. I am super thrilled to see I could actually grow my own fruit from seed and all the way to mature size and actually harvesting veggies. So I can't wait to give you guys updates here and there. So expect a lot of more veggie videos to come out. You will be getting a little bit more flowers incorporated with it, but the majority is going to be about vegetables this time around. So thank you all so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, and if you want to support my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out just like this one, make sure to hit that bell notification button so you get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out. Thank you all so much for watching, and never forget to grow big, ultimate gardeners. Bye guys.